Hey guys, Pavel from Carpe Studio. You are asking how to edit content in Webflow. So, this will be interesting. Let's go to the designer. The first thing, there are the texts. So the text, you just double click and you change everything. It's easy. Then you press escape and you are done. Hit publish and publish to the staging or to the main domain. If you want to just look at it, you just do it on the staging. This is .carpedesign.webflow.io and this is the main domain. Takes a little while. And here we can see. Alright, perfect. Then we want to change maybe an image. We go scroll down here, click on the image, we click on the wheel here or press the D on the keyboard, the letter D, and just click here, replace image. Now, I will show you what's the best practice in doing that image. I will just take a random image I have here, maybe some screenshot, other screenshot, okay, some other screenshot from Chris. Let's do that. Alright, that's changed. But that's not all. The first thing you want to do is you click on the image and press compress. As you can see here, it's 1.46 megabytes. That's pretty big image. Yeah. And now you see that the image has been changed and it's only 79 kilobytes. And that's amazing. Yeah. I will change this back to this image, PNG, perfect. So that was changing the image. What else we have editing content? We can reorganize the sections pressing Z, and basically here we have the sections. This is something advanced and there are maybe a lot of tutorials online and how to do things, how to build the things. So I don't recommend changing these things around unless you really know what you are doing. So what you want to change, it's often the blog posts. You just go into the blog and click here and then you just change things. Good practices in changing the texts that you have the headline. This is always gonna be your headline. There it's gonna be H2, heading 2 and heading 3, and it's subsequential order. You will see pros and cons. It's heading 4 and heading 4. Yeah, you don't put it under heading 2. We also don't have a spaces because that's what we have split it by margins. Sometimes it can create some issues, but you find your way what it's better if you want to use the breakpoints, break lines or not. We add the images in there, same system like we used before with the image. Unfortunately, you cannot reduce the image here in the Webflow. So what we will do is we go and Google convert PNG to WebP, and we have Convertio, and basically we just upload the file here, and there we go. Then we go to the tiny PNG, upload the WebP here, and download the resulted version. You want to put the blocks into the category. Here you have a categories and a meta description. That's very important. If it's featured or not, author reference, who it was the author, how many times you've read. That's all depends on the setup. Discard the changes. If you want to add some more fields, there are basically collection fields in here, but then it also has to reflect on the site when you design it, when it's designed. Categories, pretty easy. There are many things regarding meta title, meta description, and that's a whole new video about this. Okay, testimonials, all of the things we have on the website we can change in here. If you want to change the site, then you press P on the keyboard, like Pavel, like me, and then you just go to, for example, Figma to Webflow page and do the same job. When you are done, press publish to selected domains.